Hello, my name is Mohammad Zubair and we are here from Brack University microprocessor course, and we have used Arduino microcontroller for our project, and our project is encrypted doorlock system, and we have used Arduino for this project, and my group member will be talking about the different components used in this project. Let's see.
Hello everyone, I am Tausif Nazim from the CSE department of Brack University. So now I am going to describe about the microcontroller that we have used in our project, and it is Arduino Mega. So let's begin with the specifications. So it's a single board microcontroller, and Arduino is a open source platform for building projects. It has programmable circuits and integrated development environment, and the programming language used in the Arduino Mega is the simplest version of the C++. It has also the capability to bear 6 to 12 volt electricity, and it has ground and analog pin, digital pin, and also pulse width modulation system. And it has also a reset button which can restart any code that is coded in Arduino. And it has a power LED indicator and voltage regulator. It has input output port and pin as well. And it has a flash memory of 32 kilobyte, a ROM of 2 kilobyte, and EEPROM of 1 kilobyte. The clock speed of this microcontroller is 16 megahertz. So let's see our project in a closer view. So here we can see we have used two batteries, which is of 3.7 volt, and it is connected in series as well. We have got 16 analog pin and 54 digital pin also. And here is the other stuff like motors and other batteries, and the other stuff. This switch is for the recording of the knock, sound of the knock. So I think that's a total brief about the microcontroller, and the next part will be described by Nano Sakadru.
I'm Nano Sakadru, and I'm going to describe the piezo sensor that has been used in this project. The piezo sensor has been used here to detect the knock pattern. Piezo sensors can be used to generate electricity when force is applied. These sensors use the property of piezoelectric of different materials. Now, when pressure is applied, these materials can create a difference in voltage, and because of this voltage difference, and electricity can be generated. The sensor generates electricity proportional to the applied force. The pressure from the knock outputs a voltage difference, and the sensor creates a signal according to the voltage difference. The signal that is created then is sent to the Arduino, and the pattern of the signal is then used to set and detect the knock patterns. If we take a closer look, then we can see the piezo sensor over here, and we can also see that a resistor has been used to protect the piezo sensors from overloading, and from through these wires it has been connected to the Arduino and the rest of the circuit. Okay, that is awesome.
Dr. from Brack University CEC department, and now I am going to talk about the stepper motor used in this project. So stepper motors are DC motors that move in discrete steps. They have multiple coils that are organized in groups called phases. Bipolar motors have a single winding per phase. The current in a winding needs to be reversed in order to reverse a magnetic pole, and we have used a 5 volt stepper motor with a diameter of 27 millimeter, 5 lines cable, 4 phase. Stepper motor can be driven by ULN2003 chip. It can also be connected as 2-phase to use. So now this is the stepper motor, and this is the motor divider circuit. There are 4 wires coming from the Arduino, and with the signal of these 4 wires, the motor can operate within different phases. It can rotate clockwise or anti-clockwise. It has almost 200 steps per revolution. It needs approximately power range of 5 volt to 12 volt to operate, and we have used a 3.7 volt battery in series so that it can power the motor driver circuit.
Hello everyone, I'm Mohammad Mohsin Namani and my ID is 10301051. in our project we have used a 4x4 keypad. Normally, one pin is used to take a digital input. In our keypad, we have used as 4x4. Then 8 pins are used. But if there is more inputs like 10 keypads, then there will be a lot of problems. We have used Arduino Mega in our project, but it has better pin numbers. But when it comes to the Uno or other Arduinos, then there will be big problems. They don't have extra pins. So yeah, this is the one. This is the keypad, and so
explain in brief that how these things work. And here is our Arduino Mega, and this is powered from two 3.6 volt batteries. We have used two batteries because of if we have low batteries, then we might have malfunction in this microcontroller. So this is the battery, and here is our stepper motor. And we have used separate battery to power the stepper motor, because if we use the power from Arduino, it might drain all of the power of this microcontroller, so it might also can malfunction. And we have two switch, and one is for the unlock the door, no sorry, one is for lock the door, and one is for to record the knock pattern. So this is here is our piezo sensor that detects the knock, and then we have a display to show the status, and we have some lights to see what's going around. Okay, then we will now make a trial that how these things work really. Record a secret knock using this switch. We will record a knock. On knock, I have found knock is recorded. Yeah. So we see a cipher here. It is not the actual password, it is the ciphered password. So we will use our Android app that we made for this project to decrypt this password. Let's see. Yeah. So this is our app. So 756535366767. Okay. So our password has been generated 0248. Now we will enter this password 0248. Password has been accepted, and our door has been unlocked, and with this stepper motor. Now we will try again with a different cipher. Okay, we have to wait for a while for another chance to unlock the door. Yeah, now we will knock again. Secret knock. Yeah. Then we have now different cipher. Then we will enter it again. By this time we had 72, 74, 49 and 78. Let's see what is the password. Here is our newly generated random password 3905. So now we'll give this password 3905. Yeah. Now it has been unlocked. So we'll test that. We will give a wrong password and we'll see that what's happened. Yeah, unlock. We have to wait a bit for another chance. Yeah. Yeah. Now we will give a wrong password. 0 anything. What is it? Yeah. That is our wrong password. So we will try with a wrong knock. Yeah. Secret knock way. So that's everything we have wanted to see, and this is our demo thing, and we have thought about the improvement, and we will see in future that what feature we can add. So thank you everyone.